Okay guys, I got this knocking. I have replaced the mechanical fuel pump, but I'm really hoping it's not nothing serious. 3.5 liter Ecoboost 2011. Here we go, ready? So replace these two spark plugs. This coil pack needed to be replaced previously, right before the knocking. Ended up going on the freeway, went to go cut across some lanes, went up to about 4 to 5K RPM and got a mean and then this started happening. So I'll rev it up a little so you guys can get a little more sound of it. I'm not having any like performance problems. It still runs and rides, but you can probably